Okay, today we're going to take a look at Google Blogs, and we're going to look at how to use this to add to your listening post to search for any emerging outrage that may be out there on the web, particularly in social media, concerning your company. Now, let's make the assumption that we're working for Monsanto, and that our job is to keep an eye on the web for any trends or emerging outrage concerning genetically modified foods. Um, so let's start with a slang term. Instead of just going straight to genetically modified foods, let's try a slang term like frankenfood. Let's see if I can spell this correctly. There we go. All right, so we enter that into there, and we get a list of recent material, recent items on the web concerning the term frankenfood. Now you also note here at the top, it also gives you related blogs, in other words, blogs that may be focusing on the term of frankenfood. But let's stick to recent posts, and you can see them there. You can also uh, uh, manage this a little bit in terms of you might ask for like the past 10 minutes. And apparently nothing in the past 10 minutes. Well, how about the past 24 hours? And we're getting a little activity. And by using this, these time measurements over here, you can even enter a custom range that will allow you to say, to look not only immediately in the immediate past, but perhaps even into a year ago. Let's say you wanted to look up December through February of this year, you could go into custom ranges and even look for that. Just depends what you're specifically looking for and whether you're conducting research or whether you're conducting surveillance. Now down here at the bottom you'll see that you have some options here where you don't have to constantly be going to Google blogs and enter things like your search terms. You can create an email alert, and you can have a lot of different options here for you can get things as they happen, or once a week summary, whatever you prefer, and you just simply let them know which email address you want to have that delivered to. You have the option of creating a gadget for your Google homepage, and you can just add that if you've opened an iGoogle account, you can just add it there. Click on that, and as you can see, it just drops right in to where you can see it anytime you want to. And then you can, if you're using Google Reader, some people like iGoogle, some people like Google Reader as their listening post. Just I'd try both and see which one you prefer. You can subscribe to the feed using your Google Reader, and it's really just that simple to use. You can set up. Well, I'll show you here in just a second. Let's just add a subscription. And you can see on my Google Reader page that I've got multiple things I keep an eye on. Many different categories. You can search for them in different ways. For example, here is I'm keeping an eye on African horse sickness. You can use your Google Reader page to separate those subscriptions and look at them topic by topic.